If you want to make money online with your phone, then this video is for you. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step and will give you some bonuses at the end to maximize your earnings. This absolutely free app pays PayPal money instantly and you can install it on both iOS and Android devices. And before we start, if you don't know guys, a few days ago we had a $1,000 giveaway on the channel. And congratulations to the winner, Rover Culture. And you also can win this $1,000 giveaway by writing 2 comments down below. As the first comment, type down the model of the smartphone device you use below. And as the second comment, type down whether I should be giving away money or something else for the next week's giveaway. Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel with all notifications. And if you do so, you'll enter the contest to win the next week's giveaway. So let's jump into my laptop. So this app works on both iOS and Android devices. This is an absolutely free app which is available on Apple App Store and Google Play Store. But I just want to let you know that you can do this as a side hustle. This won't make you a millionaire overnight, or you cannot quit your 9-to-5 job to do this. From this app you can make a couple of dollars within a few minutes, and if you really want to get a 6-digit income by running a profitable YouTube channel, make sure you check the link down in the description guys. But if you want to make some money online as a side hustle to maybe to buy some gadgets, to buy some gifts, or maybe a new bike, even if you're looking to collect some money to invest into something, don't skip a second of this video. I'll show you how to set up a passive income stream with your mobile phone and using the absolutely free app combined with this platform. Actually, this is the platform that will allow you to set up everything on complete autopilot. So let's leave it here and move on to the app that will pay us. So come over to featurepoints.com. So you can grab this from Apple App Store or Google Play Store. By the way guys, this strategy is brand new. Setting up this passive income stream is a brand new method I found. So they have paid over $5.8 million since 2012. Got a few minutes to spare while waiting in line. Make your time more rewarding with Feature Points. They have instant contests guys. In this case you have to scratch like this to earn money. You can also complete surveys as well. In my opinion and according to my preference, I don't like surveys because they take too much of time and the amount they pay for the time you invest is not that much. So if you like, you can complete the surveys as well. And when you shop in these stores, Walmart, Macy's, Microsoft, and these stores, you can earn cash back. Shop at your favorite stores and earn hundreds of dollars in cash back with Feature Points. Stores pay us a commission for sending you to them and we share it with you. So they get a referral commission when you shop via their app on these stores. Feature Points will be getting some commission from these stores and they share it with you. And this is the best part guys. Try free games and apps to earn points. Just try the app for a few minutes and you'll be credited. You just have to download these free apps and also you can redeem your points via PayPal, I said. But if you don't like PayPal or if you don't have PayPal withdrawal options in your country, you can redeem your points on a huge selection of gift cards including Amazon, App Store, Xbox, PlayStation, Starbucks, Bitcoin and many more. So that's also a plus point here. So first of all, you have to sign up for a brand new free account. Go over here and hit this sign up button and give your email and hit here to confirm that you're not a robot and hit continue, or else you can sign up with Apple, Facebook or Google with one click of a button. But if you are signing up with your mobile phone through the app, the sign up process will be kind of different but simple as this. It will take about like 1 minute for you to sign up. So doing all the things I mentioned will give you a few dollars here and there, but referring people, share with your friends and earn, you'll get paid up to 50% every time your friends earn points for life. So you send someone once and whatever they earn from this platform during their whole life, you get paid 50% of that. Imagine they earn $1,000, you get $500. If you refer 100 people, Do the math and see, guys. You just have to refer once and you don't have to lift a finger, and the people you refer will not lose anything as well. They will get their total earnings. This app will pay you the 50%. Insane, right? By grabbing the affiliate link and spamming your friends or family is not that polite, right? So don't do that. Just grab your referral link from featurepoints.com and go to emoneyspace.com. This is a platform I showed you earlier. In this platform, people come to talk about the different ways to make money online. So you can join this forum and tell other people, howdy. You can join featurepoints.com via my referral link and start making money by, you can tell them, completing surveys, winning instant contests, downloading apps, you can earn cashbacks, and you can tell them the features of Feature Points. It's a win and win situation, guys. They will sign up to this absolutely free platform, earn money, and in return you'll earn your referral commissions from each person you refer. So go to Feature Points, download the free app, sign up, do the tasks that will also make you some money, and make sure you refer some people, and that will be the best option, guys. You can even refer people by sharing this video and giving your referral link for them to sign up, so that they can confirm themselves they won't lose any money if they sign up from your link, and after that they'll also do the referrals and earn more money. Get rich together, guys. Start a millionaire club with your friends and family. And that's all for today's video. I really hope you got a value out of this video. Smash the like button, share this with your mates, give your referral links as well, subscribe. Thanks for watching.